Actually, I like the chemistry between you two, you know what I'm saying? This is actually like dope, you know what I'm saying? We should actually like do this more. I'm loving this right now. Between the two, who do you love more? I just wanted to ask you guys if you could just be all three of us.
I wouldn't mind.
So guys, right now, I'm finna prank them. They're right there. They're taking pictures. I'm finna prank them and I'm gonna tell them that I want 2 girlfriends, you know what I'm saying? Him though, so they might just say yes, you know what I'm saying? So, but let's go. Let's get it, baby. Let's go. What you guys say? It's bad. Mommy just go to side.
Hi, boy.
Hey, I said, nah, wait. They're gonna go complain. They're gonna complain about.
They're gossiping about us.
They're gossiping about us, and that's okay though.
Well, that's okay. It's fine.
It be like that. No, I mean,
Look at them.
But you were saying you